Let's discussing post recording using cinematic mode on any iPhone, showcasing the iPhone 16 Pro model. To transfer files from your iPhone to the MacBook series, follow these steps. After recording in cinematic mode, the iPhone provides two files, IMG 5182 and IMG E5182. It is recommended to always use the file that start with the letter E, as it contains information about the aperture size and ISO level that you selected during recording. I trusted this tutorial is beneficial for those individuals who wants to learn about cinematic mode on the latest iPhones. In the camera studio recordings, I constantly use cinematic mode as it gives the background blur and enhanced low light conditions. If you are interested in iPhone 16 Pro versus iPhone 15 camera results, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.